Baba has taught me something very beautiful. He says that everything in the world has a give and a take. Some places we call it the law of karma. What you do is what you get back. Some other places we call it energy exchange. If something has gone to someone, it must come back. Whether it is the universe, whether it is the people, be it anything at all, there is always something which is completing that cycle of life. Let me give you an example. We give to our parents give back to us. We give to the world gives back to us. Take something as small as watering a plant. You go and water a plant, it gives you a flower back. Now you take that flower and offer it in the feet of Baba Sai. And what does Baba Sai give you back in return for that? Lots of blessings. So you see that cycle is continuing. You gave water to the plant gave you a flower. You offered that flower to Baba, Baba gave you blessings. So this process of give and take is continuous. The moment this give and take stops, that is where stagnation starts. That is where this whole law of the universe ceases to exist for us, and because the law ceases to exist, somewhere we also cease to exist. That is why Baba says that when give and take is so important part of our life, why not make life more special by making sure that this give and take continues. So next time when somebody needs a smile, you go and give that smile to that person. When you need a smile, that person will give you a smile back, or the cosmos will give you that smile back. Go and give somebody who's in need whatever they need. You fill somebody's stomach, someday God shall fill your stomach in return. When somebody needs love, you give love. When you need love, the cosmos will give back love to you. When you need a prayer and nobody prays for you, it feels really sad. Nobody is with me. But if you have prayed for somebody before, selflessly, beautifully, remember one day even the prayer will come back to you. So whatever you want to receive from this universe, whatever you want to receive from this whole beautiful cosmos, give it unto the cosmos. The cosmos is alive, it is palpitating, it is breathing with existence. Anything and everything that you will give there, it will make a record of it. And when the time comes, it will give it back to you. So obviously when you give good to the cosmos, it gives the good back to you. Which goes on to say that if you give bad to the cosmos, the bad is also going to come back to you. If you hurt somebody, you will be hurt someday. If you cause somebody pain, you will be caused pain someday. If you release negative energy, negative thoughts into the universe, someday those negative energies, those negative thoughts will come back to you. So life is really not so fixed as we think, everything is written down. I cannot do anything. I'm just a part of this whole big universe. Everything is predestined. What can I do about it? Of course you can. Whatever you're giving is what you're receiving. Give back lots and lots of good. Get back lots and lots of good. One life is all we have. And this life must be lived to the fullest. And and not allowed to stagnate. That living to the fullest completion will only happen when we continue to share what we have, to give what we have. When Baba was alive, he was only giving, he was only caring, he was only sharing. He didn't live for himself even one single moment. He was only living for his people, for his children. We can't do that completely, but if you can just bring a little of that into your lives, give that what you want to get back. Give selflessly, don't give to get back. Ultimately, it will come back to you for sure. But you give just because you want to give, because you feel the joy of giving. And there is nothing more beautiful than the joy of giving, of serving, of helping. Every other happiness in the world is incomplete. It comes and goes. A promotion in a job, a good result of your children, a nice holiday, all these give us short-term happiness. The happiness comes, the happiness goes by. But bliss happens when you give joy and happiness to those that need you. And you do it with a happy heart, with a big, large heart like Baba, expecting nothing in return. When you bring a smile to pained lips, that smile will remain in your heart forever. When you share joy with somebody, like I said, fill up the tummy of a hungry child, that happiness will stay with you forever. So let us not accumulate these little temporary joys, smiles. Let us look at the larger picture, larger happiness, Baba full happiness. Om Sai Ram.